Okay, this is your AWS management control. So what you want to do is look down here. You want to go launch a virtual machine. And then from here, we're going to look for our free tiers. So you can use any one of these because Chatbot will work on pretty much all of this. But I prefer to use Windows because it's much easier. It has a GUI interface. So this is the one that I usually choose. It's just a base model. You don't need all the extra bells and whistles. And it'll point you out to the free tier. So it's not going to cost you anything. So let's go ahead and add this one. And then we're going to launch this. Now, key pair, you're going to need this. So I have a couple different ones, but I want to use my own. So what you can do is you can go create your own. And I just call it. I like to have a key paired for each one. I don't like reusing the same key pairs because what if I delete that one, right? Or what if somebody gets a hold of my key? Now here we're going to download it. Remember where you downloaded it to. And we're going to launch it. Now we're going to view our instances. I have a couple of them already. So now we're going to wait. This doesn't take very much time. It's maybe 2 or 3 minutes. I'm going to try to speed this up if I can. Or you know what? Let's just do this live. Do this. This is how quick it is. It doesn't take much time. So what this is going to do, this is going to free up a lot of your resources on your computer because each time that you use Streamlabs Chatbot, it's going to take up your resources. So if you're playing a game or if you're videotaping live on YouTube or playing a game on Twitch, this will work for all of it. It does take your resources up. And it takes a little while. If you have several hundred people watching, then this is really going to help you out. You can still use all the features. Because I'll go through all the features later on. All right, we're ready to go with this one. So go ahead and check that one off. We're going to do a connect. And this is important. We have to download our desktop RDP. Now, our passwords are going to be done right away because they're fully 1028 encrypted. Actually, I believe it's 2048. So we're going to go ahead and connect. Let's get this desktop file because this is how you're going to get into this. Pretty simple. So what we're going to do, you want to open this up, but you want to save this to your desktop so you always have it available. So just go to send to and then go desktop. So now we have it on our desktop. We can go ahead and double click this now. And you want to don't ask me again because you'll get that all the time and it'll just start getting really irritating. But that's what it tells you. You can do copy paste, all that with it. All right, so now here's where you're going to need your password. My password's ready. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take that key paired file that we downloaded earlier. And we're going to want to locate it. And of course, I don't remember where I put it. There we go. So we just clicked on it, went down, we finally found it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this. I'm going to go choose file. Then I'm going to find out. I'm going to go up to the URL bar, paste it in, hit enter, and there's our key. So we're just going to double click on it. There we are. We're going to decrypt the password. And it's automatically going to put it in. Now we're going to copy it. We're going to close this out. And now we're going to connect. And we're going to remember, hit OK. All right, and here's our remote desktop. This is our actual server that we just built. It's going to take just less than a minute. These are pretty quick, and they're relatively inexpensive if we do ever go over. There we go. We're done. This is your brand new. Now, it's going to take a couple seconds more because it's got more things to do. You want to say yes, because what that's doing is connecting into your computer. This is just some files that it's cleaning up. This is not a really big, huge system. It's only 1 gig, 1 CPU. You can always add more if you find that it's not enough for you, but it's really not that expensive. I use this for my phone services for my business, and I use it a lot. And I think the most I've ever been charged is $1.26 or something like that, really inexpensive. All right, here's the other part, what we need to do. We want to click this button to stop this from popping up all the time. And we want to go in here, we want to add this. So we hit click yes, click OK. So that's going to put all these up. Now it's going to have all these. Now we're going to close. Now what we want to really do is we want to uncheck this box so we don't show it again. And I'm going to splice this video to, see right there, we don't want to show it. I'm going to add this in, go yes, close. I'm going to check this box off right here. That way it won't show up anymore. So the download is not working. And there's a reason for it. And I'll show you that here in just a second on how to actually get that to work. Nothing is going to download for us. You can sit here all day and you can click this button. And nothing's going to happen. All day long you can do this. So in the next section, I'm going to show you how to repair this. So what you want to do is you want to go into our security settings. We want to go to down to downloads. And we want to allow downloads. Or file download, I believe it's called. And we want to enable this. And we want to click OK. Yes, and then apply. Hit OK. Still nothing. Imagine that. So in the next section, I'm going to show you how to fix that. Be right back. Okay, here we go. So what we're going to do is we're going to go up here to the top part of that little cogwheel, click it, go to custom settings, and we're going to go to trusted sites. And we're going to click on sites, and we're going to add this Google, and then click close, hit OK. And now we can click our download Chrome, and there you go. So what we're going to do is we're going to accept it. We want to help? Most of the times I don't, because it just takes up more resource that you don't need to. We're going to hit save. And we're going to view our download. And we're going to run it. So it's going to download and it's going to install at the same time. It just doesn't take much time. It's less than a minute also. And download's complete. And now we'll do the install. You see how easy this is? It's not even hard at all. It's really simple. And we just take it. See, it's already done. So we're going to click the Get Started button here. And now we can get rid of the Internet Explorer because we're not going to need that anymore. So from here, this is where we're going to go get our Chatbot, or Streamlabs Chatbot. I'll put all the links in the description down below. So this is going to release all the stuff from you. Now, if you want, you can contact me. I'll put it together for you. I'll set up your AWS. I'll set everything up for you. I'll just use your, I'll give you all the credentials and all that. It'll be your credit card. I'll have you purchase it, and then I'll set it all up for you. It's pretty simple. So here we want to go down and we want to choose the Windows 64-bit installer. It'll do 64 and 84. So it'll automatically figure out what you have. Again, these servers are really fast. They're on a full gig network. So what I'm installing here is Python 2.7.13. Do not install anything other than that because this is the old AnkBot. Streamlabs is AnkBot, and it wasn't built on the newer platform. It was built on an older platform. So here we go. Pretty self-explanatory. We're going to go ahead and hit next. Next again, just take all the defaults and go with them. Really simple. And this doesn't take long at all. Python's pretty simple, and the Python scripting is really easy also. And we're done here. So let's go ahead and we'll click on the Finish button. That's done. So Python is installed, and we're finished with that. So now we're going to have to go over to Streamlabs Chatbot. We're going to install that. We're going to agree to it. And hit next. Next again, and next again. Next again, and next. I usually do shortcuts because it puts it right on your desktop. It's really easy to get to. And again, this doesn't take long. And then we are pretty much done here. This is pretty quick. This is the whole Chatbot, or formerly known as AnkBot. And I leave that checked because I want it to open up. And there you have it. We just click on Start. Or in my case, I click off and then back on again. Oops. Just click Start, and we want to choose YouTube, Twitch, or Mixer. And we hit Go. And this is going to set you up. From here, I'll have another video on how to actually set up the bot, because it's pretty simple. And there you have it. That's pretty much it in a nutshell. So if you want, I'll put the descriptions in. I'll put my email. If you want me to set it up for you, it's not a problem. I will charge you a small fee. We'll negotiate that. But hey, thanks for watching.